Okay, so this is part one of the moment of inertia experiment, and what you see in front of you right now is the physical pendulum. Okay, so the physical pendulum, it's different than a simple pendulum. With a simple pendulum, you've got a string or a rope or something that's considered massless, weightless. With a physical pendulum, instead of a string, you've got an actual rigid rod of some sort. In this case, it happens to be a meter stick. But the big difference is the rod, its mass can't be neglected. You have to consider it in calculations, so it gets a little bit more complicated to do things with. It doesn't happen to have a mass on the end of it. It could, but it doesn't this time. So it's made like this. There's the meter stick. There's a hole drilled in the meter stick at one point at the 80 centimeter mark, and it just rests on this bolt here that attaches to the rod stand. Okay, so it can just hang there suspended, and you can just lift it and get it swinging like that. All right, okay, so there you've got your oscillatory motion like you have with a simple pendulum. All right, so let's stop it. So the main thing we're going to do with it is, let's locate the photo gate here. Okay, we're going to put a photo gate underneath it. All right, so okay, so like that. So then when the pendulum swings, it can go through the photo gate, and we can get a measurement of the time as it swings through and get the velocity. We're putting the photo gate at the very bottommost point. We're getting at the bottommost point of the path, the arc that the swing travels in. Okay, so and we can get velocity and kinetic energy that way, and we'll compare that to the potential energy that the physical pendulum had when we lifted it first, when we started it at rest to start it going. That's the basic idea.